Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a Betbird account. Simply go to Google Chrome, search here betbird.com/sign up. Simply search. You can see here register, click here. Here select if you are a man, select Mr. If you are a woman, select Mrs. So I am creating for a man, so I select Mr. Type here your first name. I am right here AB for example. Then here type your last name. Here enter your date of birth. I am select randomly, for example. Here you have to write your phone number. Then here your email address. Then again here your email address. Repeat. Here enter your state. I'm just for example right here. Then here your address. You have to enter here your original details, just like as your ID card, like your passport, like your driving license. Here you have to type your postcode. Just simply I am typing. Here you have to enter your location. Then select your country. Here enter your select your citizenship. Here enter your place of birth. Then you have to select here and here also. So you can review all of this again. Then click here request verification code. Then go to your email. You can see in your email Betbird send a verification code. Here simply copy, then paste here. Proceed to last step. Here type your username. You can type as you want. here your password, repeat password again, sorry, just a second, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 ASTF. You can see here your password must consist of at least 8 characters, then at least one lowercase and uppercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. Here your iBank number, iBank details, then select here yes, complete registration, please provide a valid. I am just right here for example. You have to provide your valid IBAN and BIC number and details, then you can play with Betbird. Just simple, put on your original details and simply Betbird do not want for verification. Probably if they want verification, then you have to provide them your ID card or your passport and or your driving license, then they will